Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are looking for how to do double tap for screen on and off, then you are at right place. So I'm on my Infinix 40 Pro. So I'm just going to click on settings, and here you have to go towards special function. If you scroll down, you will see this option, special function. Simply click on it. Here you have to go down and you will see this option, action and gestures. Click on it. Here you will see the option, tapping wake. Simply click here. As you can see, double click to open or close the screen. So this feature is for that. So simply click here and make it turn on. So when the screen is off, you can double tap to light it up, and when the screen is on, you can double tap on lock screen or home screen to turn it off. Note: when the screen lock is set to none, tapping to light up the screen is not spotted. So hope you like this little tutorial. Feel free to subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.